What a surprise. That's the distinct tang of a liar.
Can we all just agree that JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is the GOAT of crazy, twisted, action-packed anime? I mean, I think so. And I already know there's a ton of fans of the anime series that agree, and if you're watching this, you're probably all caught up on the anime series and waiting for an official announcement of the next part, Part 6. Well, I don't know when that'll happen anytime soon, so if you've already binged watched all of JoJo, here's a few anime shows for you to check out if you're a stan of the JoJo series. The similarities between the Persona franchise as a whole to JoJo is pretty evident, and it's no surprise that the video game artist and designer of the Shin Megami Tensei series, Kazuma Kaneko, actually took some inspiration from JoJo, and he and the creator of JoJo are fans of each other's work. I mean, I guess real recognizes real, or in this case, bizarre recognizes bizarre. If you look at Persona 5 specifically, you might just get some JoJo Bizarre Adventure Golden Wind vibes. I mean, there's a grouping of teens who want to take down the establishment, all while taking possession of these personas that only a few can see. You know, like a stand user. Tell me that don't sound like the gangbanging Giorno and his posse. Tell me. If you're all tapped out of JoJo, check out Persona 5 The Animation Season 1 streaming right now on Hulu.
I love you! Now you die!
Now, one of the unique and interesting aspects of JoJo is how it's a story that takes place between different time periods. Like, if you look at Phantom Blood through Golden Wind, that's a complete century between those stories. And Baccano toes a similar line, taking place during the Prohibition era, the 1930s, and a little bit in the early 2000s. And much like JoJo, you're introduced to many interesting characters throughout the story, all unique in their own right. Music is obviously a major influence in JoJo, particularly progressive rock, and in Baccano, you're treated to music that's more indicative of the time period in which it takes place. So expect to hear a lot of jazz and big band music. There's also a supernatural element that'll likely remind you of JoJo, but you know, I'm not going to go too deep into that because I don't want to spoil it for you, just in case you get your hands on it. Unfortunately, it's not streaming anywhere, but you can find the complete series for sale somewhere online. Maybe try Amazon. I mean, that's how I've been getting things delivered to me these days.
When I fight, it's always to the death.
That's right. In fact, you're already dead.
Fist of the North Star is probably one of the most mind-blowing anime shows in existence. Literally. And when I got to Battle Tendency in JoJo and all that Hamon talk, I was immediately reminded of Kenshiro's Hokuto Shinken. And of course, Star Platinum's Ora attacks are similar to Kenshiro's attacks. You know, so if you enjoy Ora, then you're gonna love I guess. The story of Fist of the North Star is full of well-animated fight scenes for its time, and it's a solid adventure. Not as bizarre as JoJo's adventure, but there's enough colorful characters to keep you interested in the storyline, and if the blood and awesome fight scenes were your jam in the JoJo series, then Fist of the North Star is chock full of it. You can stream all 6 parts of Fist of the North Star right now on Crunchyroll. Those 3 anime shows should be enough to keep you satisfied while we wait for more JoJo, which I'm sure we'll eventually get. Obviously not soon enough. Now I know 3 shows isn't much, but JoJo is such a unique anime that it's hard to find another anime that fully encompasses the energy and spirit of that particular show. Now while these shows do have elements reminiscent to that of JoJo, there's nothing quite like it that can take its place. But these shows are awesome, unique, and quirky in their own right, worthy of a watch. I mean, what else are we gonna do right now? You know what I mean? We're just sitting inside, so we might as well watch more anime. I'm curious to know what other anime recommendations you guys might have that bear a semblance to JoJo. Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, guys, for more anime recommendations, keep it right here on IGN.